it's InkDropFalls, welcome to my channel, and today we're going to be putting on these bones, hardcore bushings, and they are hard. Yep. Okay, so we have two types of bushings here. We've got one which is short, and we've got one which is taller. And apparently it's the taller one that goes on the bottom, and the short one that goes on the top. So they will go this way round. Yep. And also, you don't need these caps. They come with these, and apparently these are better. So we'll see. And you won't need the cap underneath either. So let's see how this goes. And this is the part we don't need no more. And they're quite hard. So again, you can see the old ones went together like that. Let's just double check. So the reason you don't use these cups, from what I've read online, that is, it's got a hard kind of plastic here, which is sort of doing that job now. Some people say you should still put them on, but when I looked at the manufacturer's site and inside this manual, it says you don't need them. So that is right on the edge there. That's almost as loose as it can go. So we'll see. Wow, that is super tight. Super tight. Still super tight. We'll see how they go. See there's little plastic cups in there on these tensors. These are still new. I just wanted to try out some new bushings to see what it's like, because the problem with these is these were way too loose for me. So I stepped up and got hard, but now I'm thinking these might be too hard for me, too tight for me. But that's not such a bad thing at the moment because I'm still learning. I'm still really new, so it's going to help me having that really tightness like that, just so I get used to my ollies and stuff. We'll see. I can always switch back, but they're pretty tight, man. I mean, that's as loose as I can get it. Whew. Let's see how loose we can get it. Right. So that's must be tightening it by hand. Maybe I need to compact them down for a little bit and then wear them in. Let's just go with it. It's barely touching me. You can see they're super tight. So that's the bones bushings. And we'll see how they go. They are not going to go into that packet, are they? Not with this. I think these old ones just needed more breaking in. So I'm probably going to end up using these while I'm learning, get my ollies high. Then when I start doing rolling ollies, I might swap back to these and break them in a little bit, because these already seem really, really tight. But again, it's going to be good for when I'm learning. So we'll see. Thank you.